Today, I want to talk to you ladies about an important topic that everybody's talking about right now with Valentine's Day coming up: love. But instead of the traditional love topic, I want to talk to you about self love and loving yourself. What does loving yourself mean? Well, I used to think that loving yourself was selfish, that loving yourself was vain or conceited. But what I finally learned after years of not truly loving myself is that loving yourself is essential to your well being and to your happiness. And if you do not truly love yourself, how can you be in a fulfilling, loving relationship with others? Because in order for you to give love to others, you have to start by fueling love into you. And so, what does loving yourself mean? It starts with accepting yourself for who you really are, with all your flaws. It's about valuing yourself and understanding you are valuable. We all have worthiness and greatness within us. So I want to share some self-love tips with you today. First, surround yourself with positive, like-minded, loving, supportive people who see your greatness. We all have greatness within us. We just don't always know it's there. And it's important to spend your time with positive energy surrounding you. Focus on your strengths. Find something that's amazing about you, that you love about yourself. I know you're amazing. You have something special about you. We all do. Maybe it's that you're lots of fun to be around. Maybe it's that you have a great sense of humor and you love to make people laugh. Or maybe it's that you are a loving, caring, nurturing person like I am. That's one of the things that I love most about me that took years to discover. We all have that special something that makes us unique, and we need to remember to celebrate our uniqueness. Be you and be proud of who you are with all your quirks and all your flaws. No one's perfect. See the beauty in you. We've all got that beauty, ladies, with inside of us. It's what's inside here that truly matters. And when you tap into that, you can start allowing your radiance to come out and you will attract more love into your life. I promise you. But you've got to start with loving you first. So on this Valentine's Day, as we're talking about being in a loving relationship, whether you're married, you have a boyfriend, you have friends that you're going to spend time with, or family, what matters the most is that you love into yourself. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with respect and honor yourself like you deserve. And I promise you, when you start to do that, give yourself the love, the attention, the respect that you deserve, other people are going to feel that love and be attracted to you. And you're going to be able to give so much more to those people that you care about in your life. Wishing you a most beautiful Valentine's Day with your loved ones. And remember, love the amazing woman that you are.